Welcome to Kangen Water Solutions. Today we will be showcasing the 01 and 03 product range. Included in your purchase will be all the elements required for installation, including the attachments and an easy-to-follow step-by-step manual. The 01 is the original series faucet and feeds water directly to your ionizing machine. It can also be converted into the 03 series easily. For use as the 01 series, a screw tab will need to be purchased separately to plug the faucet. For use as the 03 series, simply attach the spout that has been included.